let this grow tall. This will be the top. And cut this off. Hi, I'm miltonchang of Bonsai-Heirloom, and I have my friend Marcelino, who planted every tree on this property 30-some years ago, and then he has been helping me with the bonsai now that I'm studying Bonsai-Heirloom. Instead of me climbing up the tree and breaking my neck at age 84, I'll let Marcelino climb the tree and I tell him what to do. And he knows enough about bonsai, or to just give him a guidance and he will go for it, and we can do something else and come back, it'll be done. Let me just tell you what I want to get done. But like all these little branches should be cleaned up, right? So this tree grows out like this. This needs to be maybe cut off here. Then this way, and this one, it's kind of okay. Cut off this one so that something will grow out that way. Right? If you cut it off here, something will grow out that way. You know how that works, right? And then, basically you want the tree to come out like this and like this, but not so much up. So cut off anything that's not in the right direction. And then like this, not so good, not so good, not so good. But then the tree grows up like this, and then spread out again, right? And that branch should probably be kept. Yeah, and then that branch cut off right about here, so they will shoot out. And, like this cut off, it's this one cut off and this one cut off because they are too tall, and clean out all the dead branches. And then like this one, the tree grows fine, but this should not be here. This branch comes out, goes out this way, and then you cut off here, so it will shoot out this way, right? No, a little bit farther out, yeah. Yeah, okay. And then it doesn't have to be perfect. And then this is kind of pointing up. So cut this off. So it will fill out this, it will be fill out like a pad. Again, I don't think I can explain to him instantly everything I want to get done. But if you use his judgment, and roughly, it'll be okay. It will come out right. Like I said, you can never make a mistake. So each time it's a rough cut because you have an opportunity to renew it again. So you clean off all these little branches, right? And so this is fine. Like this branch comes out, should be keep going, not coming back. And then this, I think like if you cut it off here and here, then this branch and this branch will fill out this hole. Will fill out this hole. So I tell you what you do is you do what you can, and then I'll come on and do a little bit of fine tuning. So like this one, if you cut it off here, right, then this branch will come out that way. Right, and so on and so forth. And like this is, you don't want it. And like this branch is going up, so you cut it, right? And you just keep doing it, and you should cut this off. Oh, there you go. And then you can do the same here, cut it, and cut it, right? When you cut it, cut like here, so this could branch out. So if you cut this off, this will go this way, this off this way, this will go this way, and then you let this branch go this way. Okay, and then clean up all these. Let this grow tall. This will be the top. And cut this off. And then, Marcelino here. Then you cut this off, and this off. Now, let's see, this one over here. Yeah. And that one off altogether, bottom. Yeah. And then this one here. And then like this one, let it grow this way here, let this one grow out. And just cut it here. That's pretty much it. Yeah. And then the obvious cut off that one, that one. So for what? Just use your judgment. Okay? Like I said, I'm too old to climb the trees now, so he's doing it for me. This is a really nice little cutter. Costco right now, 2 tools for 19 bucks. It's really a good deal. Go for it. Cuts really well. You can see in an hour, Marcelino has cleaned up the tree as we prescribed, and it doesn't look quite right yet. But the next flush of growth, I would say in 6 months or even a year, we'll redo it again. And after 3 times of that, the tree will really look like a miniature bonsai tree in a big garden. And that's a reciprocity. You're trying to use bonsai to emulate a big tree in nature, and you try to reproduce it in a big way in your garden to accentuate your garden. So again, this tree, what happened is that I grew from a seed about 30 years ago, and it grew to be a towering 30 feet tall tree. And I said, what do I do with it? So what I did is I first cut it down here, and it's saved these 2 branches, and then I cut it over here, and so forth. And each time you cut it, you create a taper, a really nice taper, so the top branch will be thinner, and to show the progression of the tree. So this tree will heal itself, so all of the stuff will clean up, because once it's rotted, it's really easy to clean up, and it will be a perfect scale tree that's growing as if it's growing in nature, what we are trying to emulate in a bonsai. And so I really want to make the connection between gardening, landscaping, and bonsai keeping and houseplant all in one breath, or growing vegetable for that matter, because the know-how is the same. You can apply what you learn from one to the other, and like in this case, turn it into a magnificent tree. I think it didn't look like anything the first year I did it. This is about the 4th year. You can see it's starting to take shape. It doesn't take long, it just takes a little patience. So I thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy our video. We are really trying to promote the art of bonsai and horticulture and nature, and I hope to see you next week. Thank you for tuning in. Well, thank you very much for watching today's video. Subscribe to our channel and tell a friend. And most importantly, go to our website and sign up to become our VIP so that we can send you announcements of special considerations. Thank you very much. See you next week.